In a compact city apartment, a silent green ally thrives as a compact biosphere that cleans the air and steadies the mind. A smart herb wall with self-watering features brightens the kitchen while teaching residents to gauge soil health with simple tactile cues. The system layers vertical planting and recycles kitchen scraps into compost tea, feeding microbes and sustaining growth without waste. Nighttime LED glow doubles as mood lighting, guiding routines and softening harsh overheads. Treating the balcony as a micro-ecosystem, busy dwellers gain daily rituals that feel magical yet effortless.